Alright guys, what is up and welcome back to the videos. So, a little bit of sad news. I am out of riding content. So, I rummaged through the old stock that I had, and I found a couple of clips from January, I believe it was, and I threw them together for you guys. So, with this lockdown stuff, this is going to be the last riding video for now. But don't worry, there's going to be some more content coming your way. I am going to go and pick up all the KDX parts from the storage unit, and we are going to continue the KDX build, well, as far as we can anyways. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you guys feel like it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment below with any suggestions of what you guys want to see. And yeah, enjoy this clip, and thanks for watching. And as I mentioned before, this is an old clip from January, and this is before I changed the setting on my handlebars. After the first EWXC race, I adjusted the handlebars a little bit back, and man, I have to say that made a huge difference. Another thing that's going to be in an up and coming video is I'm going to go through the suspension settings on my KTM, so stay tuned for that as well.
Yeah.
Reviewing this old footage, it really makes me pretty stoked to see how much I've improved over the last couple of months. And yeah, this section over here is pretty cringe-worthy, and I eventually just end up pushing the bike out. But yeah, I am super stoked on the progression, and I'm looking forward to getting back on the bike. And obviously there is much more to learn, so yeah, excited for that.
Right. Woo!
Alright guys, check it out. For some more lockdown entertainment, I've got two videos for you guys, one on the left and one on the right. So don't hesitate to click on one, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you want to subscribe, hit the Mud and Dust Media logo in the middle. Thanks for watching, and peace out.